Hello everybody. It's become time to wake up the equipment. I get the oil draining on the mower here, and it's time to get things going and cut the grass. But right now I need to change the spark plug because it's been in there a while and I had issues with it last year, so I'm going to show you how to change the spark plug on these Tecumseh TVS 90 engines here. It's pretty easy. Takes an RJ19LM plug, and I'll show you how to remove it, cap it, and install it. First thing you want to do is make sure your wire is disconnected. This spark plug socket. And you should just give a little twist. Once it's loose, you can take it out by hand. There you go, that one's pretty fouled up. This engine has a lot of blow-by. Has a leaky exhaust valve. This is a J19LM versus an RJ19LM. R stands for resistor. Shouldn't make too much difference. Now you want to gap this plug at 30 thousandths. So you get yourself a set of feeler gauges like these. And if they're like mine, they're probably 50 years old. You look through your gauges. We've got .020. You want to find the ones, you want to add up the numbers that equal the gap you want, which is 30 thousandths, .030. So we got, what do we got here? We got .020, .006, and .004. So that gives us 10 thousandths plus .020, 30 thousandths. Now these spark plugs can be pre-gapped in a lot of cases, which it is. And all you want to do is gently slide it in there. Make sure there's a little bit of resistance, just like that, and your plug is gapped. And all you do is make sure it's clean around the spark plug hole. I used compressed air before I did all this. Thread it in by hand, snug, put the ratchet on it, and you give it probably a turn just like that. Just snug it. Right there. And I'm just using my thumb, I'm not putting much pressure. And you go ahead, hook your spark plug lead back up. This one here's got some issues, but hopefully it'll work. There we go. And you're done.